Hey tech fans! Apple's dropping something huge in Detroit, a manufacturing academy that's set to revolutionize American innovation. Want to know how it's empowering businesses with AI and smart tech? Stick with GadInsider to find out. What's up, GadInsider crew? Apple's making waves with a brand new manufacturing academy launching in Detroit on August 19th. From AI-powered training to game-changing consulting, this is big news for U.S. businesses. Let's dive in. Apple's teaming up with Michigan State University to launch the Apple Manufacturing Academy in Detroit. Starting August 19, this academy will offer free training courses for small and medium-sized businesses. We're talking cutting-edge stuff like AI, data analytics, and smart manufacturing techniques. Apple's Chief Operating Officer Sabi Khan said it best: "Advanced manufacturing is vital to American innovation. This academy is all about helping companies level up and stay competitive." So what's the deal? Apple's experts are leading workshops on automation, machine learning, deep learning, and more. Whether you're a startup or an established business, you'll get hands-on tips to optimize your operations. Plus, Apple engineers are offering in-person and virtual consulting to streamline supply chains and boost productivity. Later in 2025, the Academy will roll out virtual programs with a skills curriculum covering project management and manufacturing process optimization. This is next-level support for American businesses. This isn't just about one academy. It's part of Apple's massive $500 billion four-year commitment to U.S. innovation. With suppliers in all 50 states, Apple's doubling down on advanced manufacturing to keep America leading the tech game. While high labor costs mean Apple's own production might not shift much, this program's a win for small and medium businesses looking to innovate and grow. The Apple Manufacturing Academy kicks off August 19th in Detroit, with virtual programs coming later this year. This is a huge step for U.S. manufacturing and innovation. Want to learn more about how Apple's shaping the future? Stay tuned with GadInsider for the latest tech updates. That's the scoop on Apple's Manufacturing Academy. Are you excited for this boost to U.S. innovation? Drop a comment below. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech news.